Checking your account balance on Spaces is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Open the Spaces app. Launch the Spaces application on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth access. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, look for the account or profile section, usually found in the main menu or sidebar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Select Account Balance. In the Account section, find the option labeled Account Balance or similar. Click on this option to view your current balance. Step 5. Review your balance. Your account balance will be displayed on the screen. Take note of the amount and any additional details provided regarding your account. Now you can easily check your account balance on Spaces whenever you need.